Today I'll be talking about how you can harvest licenses out of band when the machine is turned off using Symantec Workspace Streaming and Intel vPro technology. So the setup I have here is a Symantec Workspace Streaming server and the client machine, which is running Intel Core vPro processor. The user will be using this machine, and this machine will be used by the administrator to reclaim the license. The user has streamed Microsoft Visio completely to this machine. It's 100% cached and available for use even offline, even when disconnected. All of the blocks are locally executing. Now we'll harvest this license after the machine is turned off. The administrator can see that this license has been used for Visio. The administrator can go look for this license and see who is using it, on which machine, when was it last used, and the administrator can release this license. So we'll do it as soon as we shut down this machine. So the user, after using the application, has to go on a sabbatical, has to take a long leave. So we'll shut down the machine completely. So we'll do that, shut it down. And as soon as this machine is completely shut down, we will reharvest Microsoft Visio license from this machine and allow it to be used for another user. So we'll wait for the machine to shut down. We see that the license is available, and the administrator can go here and release this license. So what just happened is it connected, the Workspace Streaming server connected to the Intel Core vPro processor and provided this information that Microsoft Visio was reharvested from this machine. But the bits still exist on this device, and we'll turn it on, back on, and see what happens to the bits. So at this point, what I'll do is disconnect the network cable, because the application that was on this device was completely offline enabled. It was 100% cached. And after I do that, I'll turn it on. And as soon as this device turns on, the Workspace Streaming agent, as one of the first things that it does as the machine boots up, is to read the information about the license being harvested and completely uninstall Microsoft Visio from this machine. All the bits of Microsoft Visio are off of this machine. And that happens at any time, even as you see when the network cable has been disconnected, when this machine is turned on. So we wait for the machine the machine to turn on. We log in, and as part of the login process, it will check in the third-party data store. Log in here. It will check in the Intel Core vPro processor, read the information, and completely delete the application. So we wait for it to come up. So this is a notification for the user, telling the user that this application was removed because the administrator reharvested a license. Let's open up the Symantec Workspace agent and go check that this application is completely removed. There's no bits remaining. Now, as a user, I want this application back. So let's reconnect this network cable and stream the application down. This is very critical. Just because the license was reharvested doesn't mean the user cannot get it back. So the network connection is now on. We'll click on the portal. This is the Workspace Streaming portal, where all the applications that are available for this user are listed. In this case, we have one application, which is Microsoft Visio. I go here, I stream it down, and I'm fully functional with Visio again in less than a minute. For more information, you can go to Symantec Connect or Intel vPro Expert Center. Thank you very much.